Own or want to own an Airbnb? Well, you're in the right place. I'm Islam Elgarhi. I built 40 plus Airbnb listings from scratch, and I tested every single tactic so you don't have to. Here you'll get daily tips and weekly deep dives into topics like dynamic pricing that beats the algorithm, cleaning operations that run themselves, review dispute playbooks that actually work, and every new platform updated, translated into plain English. If you have any questions at any time, always comment on any of my videos, and I promise I read every single comment and I use those to fuel my next video. If you want deeper coaching or one-on-one sessions, click the link below. For now, binge a few shorts and level up your hosting. Thanks for stopping by. Let's turn your space into a 5-star cash flowing machine.